G'day guys, we're at Lake Eyre at a place called Halligan's Bay. And that's the water out behind us there. Where you come and camp here, it's really sandy, full on sandy. Matter of fact, I did a U-turn down in the U-turn bay and I actually slowed right down and got in a bit of a bog, so I had to get out and let the tyre pressures down and to drive up out of it, which was a bit of a surprise. Entertaining when there's thousands of people around you just watching you. Good advertising for the van though, eh? One thing I want to show you a little trick about these levelling things you buy, ramps. I found out through the Fink Desert that when you use them in the soft stuff, they crack and break. So when I got here, I thought, this sounds like a dumb idea, but I'll give it a go. This time, I actually put the ramp in upside down. So I've actually got the flat surface underneath and the honeycomb at the top, and mate, it drove straight on it beautifully. It didn't sink at all in the sand, and the van ramped up beautifully. Last time it just sunk straight down into the dust and in the sand and didn't do a damn thing. So might try that as a bit of a trick for next time you're out. Right guys, enjoy.